yes, I don't day trade. I always try to hold for a few weeks or a few months, preferably. That's when the big winners are made. That's where you get the big winners. And your nervous systems get protected? I don't understand. You mean it's less stressful, or what do you mean? Well, it depends. It's still stressful. Trading is still stressful, no matter what the time frame. But the a good thing about swing and position trading is you don't have to fight near your entry. Like as a day trader, you're always near your entry. But as a swing trader, once the stock starts going, I mean, let's look an example, something I've been holding for a long time, like Zoom. I've been holding it since I think 13th of February, and this thing is up 37% from my entry. Like once it went, I didn't have to look at it all the time. Like I know it's up a bunch, but as a day trader, you're always sitting near your entry, and that sucks. And there's very little money to be made usually too, so in day trading. But as a swing and position trader, in the right type of a market, you just look size. You always scale it up. If your account goes up 50%, you always should try to scale up your size 50%. You do it step by step. You always have to stretch it, but you have to do it the correct way. You have to do it from a position of strength. You do it when you had a good period, not when things are going bad. When things are going bad, that's when you reduce your size. 2.5 is way too much. 2.5 is way too much. That's you have 6-7 losers in a row. You're down 20% in your account. That's way too much. You should probably cut it by half. I usually risk around 0.5% ish on most of my trades, around like say 0.2 to 0.7. I rarely risk more than 1%. Sometimes I do, but maybe a few times per week, if that. Probably not even every week. It depends on the market conditions. Like the past 2 weeks, there have been so many crazy opportunities, and I've been pretty aggressive. So I've had a lot of like 1% type of trades where I risk 1% or even more. Like on APT, when I shorted APT, I took like several 1% losses before I nailed it on the short side. I took like 3 or 4 1% losses on it, and then I nailed it and I made it back, and then some. But 2.5 on every single trade, I think you're asking for trouble. It's all great when things are going well, but if you get in a drawdown, you will get in a drawdown very fast. In a pretty bad drawdown very fast.